Hey guys, this is Marcus with Green Solution Commercial Cleaning. Here we have a F-250 2013. This vehicle was very, very dirty. I had my guys do a detailed vacuum first to get all the pet hair and trash and gunk and sand and everything out the carpets. The wheels was very dirty. The front grille had a lot of bugs and road debris and everything on it. The uh, wheel wells was very, very dirty. This truck here is actually one of his company trucks that he drive every day. If he's not in it, one of his workers in it. So I had the guys that doing a very, very detailed cleaning of this vehicle because this customer said he wanted to look new again. And he also brought us his wife vehicle the same day, and he really, really loved this vehicle. It came out very nice, and he said we saved him about $70,000 because he was gonna buy another one, and he was very happy, and I'm glad we got a chance to put a smile on his face. He thought it couldn't be done, but as a mobile detailer and a professional detailer, we can make things happen. Thanks for watching this video. Marcus with Green Solution Commercial Cleaning.